Hello everyone, my name is Alia Siddiqa and I'm currently pursuing my engineering in electronics and communications from HKBK College of Engineering. I have always been passionate in electronics and I always wanted to pursue my career in codomain. To achieve this goal, I joined TECHNOLOGICS. In TECHNOLOGICS, all the students are personally trained by the R&D department who are involved in making the major projects. So I would also like to thank Professor Vinuta ma'am who helped me in clearing my C programming concepts. So because of this, I was able to write and learn the C programming very easily and in a very much in efficient manner. In Technologics, live coding session was also conducted. Because of this coding sessions, each program was explained thoroughly along with the algorithms, and all the doubts were cleared on the same day. Along with this, technical discussions was also conducted. Because of this technical discussions, I was able to boost my confidence and I was able to improve my communication skills. So with all this knowledge, I was able to crack the interview in my first attempt. I got selected in the onboard technologies. I would also like to thank Fayaz sir for providing me the guidance and motivations throughout the process, and I would also like to thank the entire team of Technologics for giving me this opportunity and making my dream come true. So thank you everyone, thank you all.